Okay, I don't think the starter solenoid's working properly here. I can hear it clicking away. A nice good click. But putting the meter onto the output, I'm not getting any voltage. So that doesn't sound right. I'm just going to and if I short it out a bit, see what happens. Not to there then. You know what? That looks loose. That starter motor. I'll have a look at that. Okay, welcome back. Part 12. Yeah, if you remember in the right, last episode we had a problem with the starter solenoid. Didn't seem to be working very well. To be honest, I can't really be bothered messing with it. There's an exact copy of the GPZ starter, including the weird fuse thing, which is quite clever actually, for $12.50, including the postage for next day delivery. So what's that like? Next day delivery, £2, you know, a tenner. I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered trying to open it, trying to fix it, put it back together, find it doesn't work, and have to buy one anyway. Just gonna replace it with a new unit. So okay, so we'll just have to wait for that now. Nice new rubber boots on there. They've come up. They look really great then. Look at that. Never seen a bike so clean. Pity the starter solenoid needs a new one. Oh well, it's ordered. Wait for it to arrive. Okay, I think I can see what's wrong with the starter. There's a big gap there on that bolt. It's not tight. You can see the starter. It's not going to focus, I don't think. It's quite loose. So I think what we'll do is we'll take the starter motor out. Well, there's no carbs or anything there. Let's take the starter motor out and we can clean it all up there and refresh it. I was considering doing that anyway, but let's do that. Come on, where you going? That's really what's stuck now. Weasel. I'm stunned. No, it's not. Okay, that's pretty manky, isn't it? Give it a good clean up. Let's see what it's like inside. Okay, it's got like a little reduction gear in there. It looks pretty horrible in there. We'll have to see what that looks like. So this is looking quite a bit tired. You can see it's actually shorted out in some of them, so we need to clean that up and get that working a bit better. I don't know how worn the bushes are. Probably quite worn. I'll have to see them. Anyway, at least it's apart. Okay. Okay, there's a bit of water in there. It's making the grease look horrible. I don't quite know what that is. What the hell's that? There's something in there, probably an old seal or something. So I have to give this a good clean, I think. Let's have a good look at it. Alright, I've cleaned this all up. It's a beautiful little unit. I don't know if you can see that, but nice sort of planetary gears there. It's all cleaned up. It's really, well, you saw the picture, it's really horrible. It's all in good condition, no teeth missing, it's all good. I haven't only cleaned the commutator up yet. We've not had a go at trying to sort that business out and clean this out. I think what's happened here is that all the seals have failed. That's why it's come loose, because there should be a seal here and a seal here, and you can see that the O-ring on the end here is just so loose. I'm not sure what that is doing, so that needs a new O-ring on there. So I'll have to try and source these seals. They won't be available. I'll have a look and see if we can find them. If not, we'll just have to try and measure them as best we can and fit O-rings to them, because as long as it looks like it's in good condition. I haven't looked at the brushes yet. There's a bit of springiness in them. Probably be okay. So let's carry on cleaning it up, and we'll have a sit down tonight and see if we can find the seals. So I wanted to unpin these generator contacts because I'm always fearful of these getting dirty and then overheating and causing a fire or just melting. It's very, very common. But I'll pull them out and you can see they're absolutely spotless. I think the fact of pulling out actually damaged it a little bit. So I think we'll have to make that connection good there. either we cut it and remake it with a new one, or yeah, I think that's all I have to do properly. Right, so I've just remade that. Sorry I didn't show it on the video how it worked. Oh, I just got carried away and I just did it without thinking. Anyway, that's done. Right, so that's the alternator all connected up. I'll cable tie these up, but I'm not going to cable tie anything until right to the last minute. So we'll just leave everything loose for now. Right, I'm really happy with that. It's really neat. It's come together. I'm really happy with it. I wish the sleeve had come for this and I could have sorted this out, but it hasn't. So there you go. Okay, so that extra earth I had here, it's come in really handy. We'll use this to power all our ancillaries, USBs and stuff like that. And what we'll do is run a wire here from the solenoid to a fuse, and that can be our pos for our ancillaries. One of the other earths I've connected here onto the frame, so we'll have another frame connection because I'm earth insane and just go absolutely mad for putting earths on. This is what happens when you own Italian bikes for 30 years. The other, I didn't like the fact that the other earth, the other frame earth is on the subframe. Not a great idea, so an earth on the frame and an earth on the subframe can't hit.